Katana Simulator by Paragon, okay? I have no idea how to play this. Gaining coins by swinging the katana. Ooh, pull from rock. We're not strong enough to lift Exterior without finishing top 100 on the weekly leaderboard. Oh, seriously, now I remember this thing. White katana. Royal katana. I can only buy the white katana. Back to game. I have a white katana. I need 200 coins. Sword. I have a wide 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 sword. Wait, I can get the royal katana. Ooh, 18 damage, 50 coins per kill. Chop up your enemies with their royal purpose. This gives 10. Ooh, 10's pretty good. Come on. I'm gonna be recording more videos of this. This is gonna be video number 1 of Katana Simulator. I'm getting pretty good. What's the next katana? Poisonator. 50 coins. I mean, not 50. 500 coins. Come on. Maybe I'll watch the battle. Hayot. Hayot, 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 hayot. Okay, I have 500 already, okay? What better? Poisonator. Ooh. 20. I bet the next one like 1,000. 18 damage, 100 per kill. Look, it has all that green gas coming out of it. It must be poisonous. Dope. Dope just destroyed me. What the? Okay. What kind of sword does that guy have? Wait a minute. Let me see what kind of sword does that guy have? Hacker katana? Not hacker katana. Galaxy trusty. Tall spicy boy. Katana wings, not that one. Saber katana. No. If it's the last one, which is laser blade of the feared one. Rainbow laser blade, evil masterminds. Ancient laser blade, bull laser blade, green laser blade, pointy laser blade, red star blade, radioactive katana. Question mark? A katana is so dangerous it doesn't even have a name. It can only be referred to question marks. Is that what that guy has? No. Well, let's battle so I can get more coins. Still one. Oh, I'm dead now. Yay, I have enough to get the Katana of Flames. Maybe this one? No. I have the Katana of Flames. 40 for hit. Yo. Let's go. I have doggies hitting on me right now. After I get the next katana, it's gonna be the end of the video. Come on! Yes, I got him. Let's go. No! I have 2,300. What's the next one? Bubbly katana is 4,000. After I get 4,000 coins, it's gonna be the end of episode 1 of Katana. What real? One, let's go. Oh, that guy just got killed. No! I'm pretty close. I'm gonna be doing, how about 2 episodes per day, maybe? So, you better, go to it. Come on. No, come on. 2 episodes per day of this. If you don't like it, then you can comment below saying, play this game or something. Or you can just comment like, great vid or something. If you want to subscribe to me, then, okay. At the end of 2020, first of all, I hope the cure for the coronavirus is here. And second of all, I want to see if I can get to 30 subscribers. Yeah. So this is going to be the end of episode 1. And bye! We have the bubbly katana.